dashboard. You can see here your apps available. Like there is showing TicTac.me and Bihar Bingo. So click here View App. When you click on View App, in left side menu, you can see here Test and Release. Click here. When you click here, you can see here Testing. And now click on Testing. When you click on Testing, here you can see Close Testing. Click on Close Testing. When you click on Close Testing, there will show Close Testing Alpha. And when this will be show, you have to click here. When you click here, scroll down, and here you can find testers. Click on testers, and to add Google group, select this option, and here write next pod. App testing 12 edit groups.com. After writing our group email, press enter key, and now scroll down and click on save here. When you click on save, this Google group will be added to your game for testing.